So guys, first you have to come to gigabyte.com. See, this is the website gigabyte.com, and then you can see here search button. Then enter your model number of your motherboard, then hit enter. Then click to product, then click to title of motherboard. Support, then select operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. First audio, click to download. You can see after downloading, start downloading here. Then click to, you can see 156, click on and double click to launch this. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing. If it is automatically closed, means this is installed. Then guys, closed.